All right, this is the unboxing of ZIRCON Stud Sensor Pro LCD Stud Finder. That's a lot to say. I'm pretty excited about this. It has a how-to guide in here for tips and tricks from the pros on finding a stud. All right, so right here it says it has deep scanning stud finder. It says that it's a deep scanning stud finder with easy to read display screen. We're gonna find that out. So I'm just gonna go ahead and open this up right here. Take the package without hurting myself. This thing, I kind of hate this type of plastic. All right, there we go. Open it up right here. And I'm just gonna open this up from the top right here. And I'm just gonna let it slide out right here. And so here's a stud finder right here. It says remove before use. I'm gonna go ahead and take out, there is a pamphlet book down at the bottom as well too. All right, pull out the pamphlet. This is the how-to guide at the bottom. Some kind of instructions on the back on the stud. So this is the how-to guide that comes with it. And I guess it shows you how to actually find the studs, protect the wall, all this stuff. I'm gonna keep this and I'm gonna look at this later. I'm gonna put this right over here. But meanwhile, we're gonna take a look at the stud finder right here. This is it right here. I'll leave a link down in the description on where you can find one of these and read more information about it. All right, right here, it says right here, remove before use. So this is just a plastic liner right here. It gives you what it's supposed to look like. So I'm just gonna take that, remove that. And as you can see right here, there's some options right here. I'm gonna try to get in close so you all can see that. They have options for stud scan. You can stud scan or a deep scan. So say for instance, you're having issues finding the stud, they have that option you can switch to right there. And looking on it right here, there is a belt clip. So you want to carry this around. There's a belt clip. Attach that to your belt. On this side right here, it has like some soft, the soft end of the Velcro. You know what I'm talking about, where you touch the Velcro on one side it's rough and the other side it's soft. It's like this. And I'm guessing that this is used for gliding it across the wall to try to find a stud. All right. And then you have the right here, you have this, the indicator. It's an indicator point to like right here where you can find the center of the stud right here. It's good to have right there. And then on the side is actually how you activate it. So I'm gonna press it and you see right there, it starts to find the stud. It's seeking the stud. I don't have it against the wall, so it's not gonna find it. If you check the description part of the page, I'll have a link to the video where I'm actually testing out the ZIRCON Stud Finder right here. So that's that. And then, I'm guessing the battery's underneath here, or I have to open it up. I'm gonna check and see where to replace the battery. I'm pretty sure that it takes a 9-volt battery, but I'm not certain. But that's the unboxing of the ZIRCON Stud Finder. Let me know if you have any questions, and don't forget to check the link of the page for more information. Thanks a lot.